Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the GK tutorial once again. Children, today we are going to revise current affairs of PT2 and lesson 13 in the sky. Let us revise. First, we'll revise current affairs. Question 1. Who is the President of India? Shri Ram Nath Kovind is the President of India. Once again, Shri Ram Nath Kovind is the President of India. Question 2. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Answer. Shri Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. Once again, Shri Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. Question 3. Where were Olympics 2020 held? As you all know, Olympics 2020 were held in Tokyo. Once again, Olympics 2020 were held in Tokyo. Question 4. Which Indian won the gold medal in Olympics 2020? Neeraj Chopra won the gold medal in Olympics 2020. Once again, as you all know, Neeraj Chopra won the gold medal in Olympics 2020. Question 5. How many students are there in your class? There are 52 students in my class. Once again, there are 52 students in my class. बच्चे, whether you are in second A or you are in second C, both the classes, they are having 52 students. So both will write, there are 52 students in my class. Rest 5 current affairs we will discuss in the class. Now children, we will revise lesson 13 in the sky. We will revise with the help of the PPT. So, let us start.
So children, now we will discuss lesson 13 in the sky. Look at these pictures. These are the pictures of 8 planets. Now, in this picture, you can see the sun in the center and the 8 planets. This is called solar system. This is the picture of Mercury. This is the picture of Venus. As you all know, this is the picture of Earth. We live on Earth. This is the picture of Mars. It is also called red planet. This is the picture of Jupiter. It is the biggest planet. This is the picture of Saturn. It has beautiful rings around it. This is the picture of Uranus. This is the picture of Neptune. And this is the picture of Sun. All the planets revolve round the sun. So children, Open page number 20 in your GK book. We will start with the lesson. There are 8 planets. The Earth is one of these 8 planets. All the planets revolve around the sun. Sun is a star. The sun and all these 8 planets make our solar system, as I have told you earlier also. And these 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So children, this is Sun. And next to Sun is Mercury. Mercury is closest to the Sun. It is the smallest and fastest moving planet. Next to Mercury is Venus. Venus shines brightly in the sky. It is the hottest planet. Venus is the hottest planet. Next to Venus is Earth. Earth is also called blue planet, as you all know, because of water on the earth. It is the only planet with life on it. So you all know that Earth is the only planet with life. Next to Earth is Mars. Mars is also called red planet. So Mars, as you all know, it is called red planet. Earth is called blue planet. Venus is the hottest planet and Mercury is closest to the sun. It is the smallest and the fastest moving planet. Now, this is Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet. And this is Saturn. As you all know, Saturn is the lightest and second largest planet with beautiful rings around it. So children, Saturn is lightest and second largest planet. And these rings, they are very beautiful. They make this planet beautiful. Next to Saturn is Uranus. Being far from the sun, Uranus is a cold planet. So children, as Uranus is far from the sun, it is also called cold planet. The last one is Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. It is farthest. ये सबसे दूर है. It has a great dark spot and there is a dark spot in this planet. Children, earlier Pluto was also included in the solar system, but now it is known as dwarf planet. Now it is not included in this solar system. There are 8 planets. Earlier Pluto was also included and there were 9 planets. But now only 8 planets are here and Pluto is called the dwarf planet. I hope you must have understood and now we have revised this lesson. Children, you will revise it once again at home. Thank you. God bless you and have a wonderful day. Thank you all.